presentations on the title Literature Review, the Financings to Infrastructure Contractor in the Islamic Banking. And this will be presented, I believe, pre-recorded and presented by
Contractor is an entity which is a company who is doing building the property, where construction is property or building and in infrastructure, the property in form of the road or bridge, stadium, airport, and the owners of the infrastructure is public, where the other non-infrastructure commonly owned by private, and some of them are owned by also public, such as public schools, or again, stadium or airport. And then contractor firms performance is contributing national development according to Jagai, and according to Adelekan, infrastructure contractor is needed, and public procurement model is so far by public. So their need and their existence are commonly open to the public, so everyone can see the condition of procurement and also the progress. And the construction of final research is limited according to Gandes. This is not a prominent research system. And then further, it is a lack of research in Islamic final construction according to Rashid. And previous research, some research has been done in Islamic finance research, such as bibliometric in Islamic economics by Ridwan, cited by Firmansyah. And then so far, they are finding the Islamic bank research using keywords such as Islamic banking, Islamic banks, and then they are also explaining that reuse keywords such as economic growth, financial stability, or satisfaction. And another keywords that is raised such as finance ethics, ethics of the bank. This is according to Lion Code. And then also there are some related keywords in Islamic research such as consumer attitude, Sharia compliance in Islamic banking and non-Islamic banking. And then this Islamic paper, Islamic finance paper, will lead to the acceptance of Islamic finance impact in the public. The purpose of the research is to review, to analyze, and to synthesize body of literature on Islamic financing for infrastructure constructor. And then this is also for review Islamic bank corporate customer in literature. The method we are using is analyzing the articles in index journals such as Scopus, EBSCO, ProQuest, and then using keyword contractor, infrastructure, finance. Word Syariah using SH and also SY. This is related to Islamic. And then we do read the abstract, and then we do determine the relevancies of the topics. And then during the search of the paper using that, keywords, there are some paper appear upon the initial search, such as project finance construction. In Scopus, there were 177 papers, in EBSCO 85 papers, and then in ProQuest paper. However, these papers were not really related to the object of the paper. And then by selecting more or using more filter, the Islamic finance contractor only 4 in Scopus, 8 in EBSCO, and only 6 in ProQuest. The themes that we do grouping, the papers are with the context Islamic finance for project. There are 5 paper, and then there are infrastructure project financing, and also one of the paper appear in the search is istisna for project construction, and then construction issue. So most of the papers are infrastructure project financing by Islamic finance, such as the construction of gas project, construction of hospital, campus, village needs, hydropower, wind energy, road for international link, power, water, and sanitation, transportation. And then the analysis of Islamic finance for projects, such as client needs for profitability, cost of capital, and so on. And then there are less papers discuss about contractor, such as issue in a state, issue in developing country, and solution for partnering with supplier. However, this contractor issue with Islamic finance view has never been discussed, or we did not find this paper. So the conclusion, Islamic Bank Finance Research was still focused with common keyword, and then research with construction keyword do not discuss the contractor, discuss